An absolutely beautiful home on more than 1 acre with a heated saltwater pool. A custom bungaloft that is clean, bright, and absolutely spotless. Welcome to 42 Parsonage Road in Ancaster. From the moment you arrive, the setting stands out. Landscaped, quiet, and set back with room to breathe. Step inside and the home opens up right away. Bright, clean sightlines and a layout that is very well thought out. The main living area connects naturally to the kitchen, built for everyday use or to host a full house. Just off the main space is the primary suite, tucked away, private, with a gas fireplace and direct access out to the rear deck overlooking the pool and yard. This private retreat also includes a spa-like ensuite. Dressing room and quick access to the main floor laundry. Also on the main level, 2 separate home offices. One with its own exterior access, ideal for meeting clients or running a business from home. Out back, spring is about to reveal a stunning space. First up, ideal all year round, this covered deck with space for seating, a TV, and a grill. Beyond that, the heated in-ground saltwater pool and open green space. And the location brings it all together, right beside the rail trail, close to golf, shopping, with quick access to the 403. Space, privacy, and a home that works the way you need it to. 42 Parsonage Road. To see it in person, contact Kathy Long from Remax Twin City Realty.